Here are 3 useful tips to use when working on your Word documents. For a document that has all different kinds of text styles, and you prefer the text to be of unformatted normal text, select the desired text, then on the Home tab, from the Font group, click the Clear All Formatting icon, the capital A with the eraser image. Once you do that, all the selected text will be returned to the default formatting. You can change the capitalization of text in a variety of ways. Select the text to be changed, and then click the Change Case icon and choose from the list of options. Sentence case will capitalize only the first letter of a sentence, leaving all the other letters as lowercase. Uppercase will make all the letters capitalized. Capitalize each word will do just that. And lowercase will make everything lower. Toggle case will invert the cases between the 2 types. Whatever was lower will become upper, and what was upper will become lower. To substitute a word or phrase in your document with something else, on the Home tab, over on the right side, select Replace. For the Find What field, enter the word or phrase you want to replace, and then enter the new text in the Replace With field. Click on Replace All to change all the occurrences. You can also use Find Next to go one by one in sequence, changing just certain ones along the way. When finished, click Close and save your document. Whenever you need help or have any questions, you can always reach out to us through social media for assistance. Be sure to check out the Dell Community Forum for answers to hot topics, or join us and sign in to create your own post. We have a huge support video library available on this channel, so become a subscriber today. Thanks for watching.